back to Shree's Fun Box. It's me, your YouTuber Shreya, and I'm back at it again with another new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tech hack. If you are going to start a YouTube channel and you have started but you are making preparations for your channel's content, banner, logo, and all those fancy stuff you can do with your YouTube channel. Those who have started a YouTube channel and still are a beginner like me, and you still want more things like professional type stuff, anyone can use this hack. Not only beginners. If you are a pro, you can use this app. This is for everybody. But before that, after watching this video, if you liked it, give this video a like, comment down below, and also if you want to join my Shree's Fun Box family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and turn the notification to all, because if you turn on all, you can get all the notifications whenever I post a new video on my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I have an Instagram page if you didn't know that. If you want, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. You can post your craft works on my Instagram page. I would love to see what you did. Now let's get started. So first of all, I didn't really mention what I'm doing in today's tech video. So in today's tech video, I'm doing how you can make your own YouTube channel subscribe button. So if you don't know what that is, here's a preview. So it's like it has your YouTube channel logo, and it is like the subscribe arrow is subscribing to your channel and subscribing, yeah, that thing. I'm going to be showing you how to do that with only using 3 apps. Only 3 apps. I'll mention the 3 apps when I start this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to YouTube. So after you go onto YouTube, what you need to go is go to your channel. So here I have my channel. So I already subscribed to my own channel, which is kind of weird because I subscribed to my own channel. That's weird. So I'm just gonna unsubscribe it. So it will be like this. It will not be subscribed. So what you gotta do is screen record, and I'm actually screen recording. I actually screen recorded mine, so you have to screen record it. For you guys, I'm just gonna do it. And you gotta stop screen recording. So the screen recording will be saved into your cameras, but right now I'm screen recording, so I can't really save it. So after that, you need to save some pictures. So you gotta save an arrow mark. The arrow mark, you will find it in stickers. So you just gotta save a normal arrow pointer. Like you press apply, next, and you save it. I already have one, so I don't really want it. And you also gotta save a green screen. And after you have saved all of that, now it's time to create the animation. So what you gotta do is go to photos, choose all, take the green screen. You might be thinking the green screen has like black lines and can't be possible to make it. Just gotta pan zoom. Just gotta pan zoom on start position and end position. So it'll like end up like this. So you gotta like make it longer. And you gotta edit a lot here. So keep your eyes and ears open. So the first thing you need to do is get that video. I have it in my media right now. You'll get it like this, okay? You'll get it like this. For this, what you gotta do is go to cropping. This one is cropping, and turn on it, and you can just crop how much you want it. There you go. And you'll get this thing, and you can just size it how much you want. You can like size it to, I want it to be this much, and you can like place it anywhere. can place it up here, you can place it right here, you can place it in the middle, side and side. It's your option, and I'm gonna post it right over here because that's my personal favorite. And post it right over here. So after you're done that, you can literally see what it's doing. It's like a video. So mine has my sound in it, so I'm just gonna quickly remove the sound by extracting it and deleting it. There you go. So now what you gotta do is go again to layer and choose photo this time. So that's when you gotta choose your little arrow mark. You might be thinking this has like green stuff and it will probably remove it. Don't worry, you gotta go to chroma key, turn it on, and just make it equal. And there we go. You might be thinking, now how will we make the animation? For the animation, there's a really easy thing called a chroma key. This is called the chroma key. It's for animations. Now let's see the finished product. That's kind of quick, but it's okay. You can adjust and edit all of that. And if you want, you can add in animations like pop and also out animation. Just make it slide or clockwise, yeah. So you can make it funky way you want. Now the next step is to export. So you gotta export it and copy to iMovie. Let's see, let's add it to my movie 3. So what you gotta do is you can add it anywhere you want. So for that you need to go to video, and I have shown how to add like green screen in another video. If you want, the link will be in the description for that video. And after adding that, you'll get your end result like this. Guys, if you did, don't forget to try this at home. And also, as I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can join the streets. And finally, when you add it, you might need to know how to remove the watermark. So when you press the little green screen thing, you can see this. You just gotta pull it down and poof, the watermark is gone. Guys, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, as I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give this video a like, comment down below, and if you want all of your friends and family members to see my channel, don't forget to share. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.